Hello, Harasi here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Microsoft OneDrive app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, search your app, right here we got our Microsoft Drive app, and here we want to see if we have the newest version of the app. If you have the newest version of the app updated already, there shouldn't be more any issues, but if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, go to the apps, see all, Finder, Drive, OneDrive, we got OneDrive, permissions, and just allow them all, like here. You see? Camera here. All of them just allow. And go to the Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted. After this, there should be everything cool with the app, but if it's not, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way, the easiest one is just reinstalling the app in the Play Store. Just easy as this. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.